So you already got the sugar and the butter inside of the bowl.
Yep.
And all I'm going to do is give you the directions. You're going to do all of it by yourself, right?
Yes, with Mr. Group.
With Mr. Group? Okay. So we want to bring this down now. And right over here, this locks it. Pull it that way so it'll lock. And on the other side, it turns it on. So you want to start with one.
Where's one? Is one stirred?
Yeah. You want to start with stir. Good. And then you can make it go up to 4. Alright. What you're doing is called creaming it. While that's doing that,
Commercial break.
right? Commercial break. So what I want you to do is I want you to crack the egg into the bowl. That way we can make sure we don't get any eggshells inside of this bowl. Good. Perfect.
So then we'll mix this with it.
Yep, go ahead and put that in with the sugar and the butter and then turn it back on again. Yeah, all you gotta do is just pour it like there.
And
Perfect.
then we turn it back to 4.
Yeah. We'll let that mix up a little bit. The next part, we're going to put this on top so that flour doesn't go everywhere.
Look at the camera. It just has Groot standing right there.
Yes, it does. Groot's helping to cook. All right. So you don't have to fill this up all the way, but we're going to put a little bit in at a time. I'm going to turn this on low because we don't want it high. And go ahead and, this is 3 cups of flour, and I got 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder in here, and I have 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And it's all mixed together. That makes the cookie taste really good too. So we're going to put all this flour a little bit at a time in here. Put it through that hole so it doesn't spill on you everywhere. Do a teaspoon of vanilla.
Oh.
Go all the way to the top. Perfect.
45?
Yep. And my secret to making it taste good, I also put a teaspoon of almond extract in it. That was vanilla.
Vanilla smells good.
It does smell good. Perfect. Oh, that is
good
great.
smell.
Yeah, smells like my cookies now, doesn't it? Oh yeah, that is so good. All right. Now it's perfect. If you want, you can clean up that spot so we can get it ready to, we're going to put everything into a ball.
Oh, yes.
A good chef always keeps his area clean. So you are really a good chef right now.
We're making sugar cookies.
Oh, nice.
For tonight.
So now, let's go ahead and take the cookie dough out. And we're going to wrap it up in plastic wrap. So I'm going to put the plastic wrap on the counter for you.
Yay, we can roll flour.
Plastic wrap is so hard to do for me sometimes because it doesn't want to do right.
We could have just got scissors and stuff.
I could have. Let's unlock this.
Get this poured on there.
Yep, just pour it on top of the plastic wrap. There we go, perfect.
Get out. That's
Do you need this? Oh, that's hardly anything at all. There.
Oh, it's at the bottom. I was just squishing it.
Now make that into a ball.
I will make this into a ball.
That's good. Oh, perfect. Now let's get the plastic wrap on it. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in the refrigerator for just a little while because we want this to get a little bit hard so it can roll out easy. Now he's making eggs, people. He done became a chef on us. You only want one egg or do you want more than one?
I'm only gonna get one.
All right. Make sure your butter melts really good there. Here you go. Here's a little plate.
Did we just have scrambled eggs?
Yep. Just scrambled eggs. Did you want scrambled? I hope so.
Whatever.
I hope you wanted scrambled. Careful, baby.
I live on my feet. I'm a cat, but I have two
see. lives. Well, actually, you only have one, so let's just make sure we keep that one for a while. Because you don't want to put too much salt on there. Yeah, right?
I
No.
might want to do 2 pinches.
You might want to do 2 pinches.
My finger's tiny.
That's true. You do have tiny fingers.
All I only do is 2 shakes.
That's perfect. Right? Real thin. Go ahead and do your shapes.
Okay. Hey.
Well, I need to get letters.
Yeah. We could just make an Aiden cookie.
Yeah.
Aiden chocolate chip cookies. You know what we could do? Since it's already done, we can just do this.
Yep. Lift it away. There you go. Perfect. Cookies Aiden did all by himself. We're going to get them in the oven. Yep, grab it from the bottom, just like that. Grab the whole, just pull the thing out a little bit.
I'm grabbing the wrapper.
You are grabbing the wrapper. There you go. Grab the pan. Can you grab it? Can you get it? It's not easy to get, is it? You want me to get it out for you?
I think I got it.
Okay, be really careful. I don't want you to get burnt. Because your mom will have a complete fit if you get burnt. Just hold it like that. Perfect. Oh, you did great, buddy. You did great. It's on there. Don't worry. It won't fall. Look at that. There are your cookies. What you got to say about that? You did it.
My hand is up.